Hey, hi, this is Rahul. I'm a final year student at IIT Delhi, and this is a working demo for the Eterna's backend task, which is an Node execution engine. I'll quickly start by showing the high level architecture and then we will quickly move towards the demo part. Okay, on a very high level, we are going to have our client and our backend service, and on our backend side, we are going to have our API server, and we are actually using a layered architecture. So, we are going to have our controller, service and data providers, and for the message queues, we are going to use redis and bullmq. For worker, we are going to use bullmq, and then we are going to use postgres for our persistent state. Okay, so let's move towards the demo part. Okay, so I have actually created a client script which is going to help us connect to our backend services. So here we can see we are actually connecting to our backend, our deployed backend, for the both of the uses, for the http and the WebSocket part, and both of these endpoints are actually the same. And for now, let's start with one concurrent user, then we are going to move towards 10 concurrent users. Okay, so one, and then let's do node index. Okay, here we can see that our transaction is successful and we are actually being able to connect to our WebSocket server, and we can see the different states, that is routing, bidding and submissions. And let's do this for 10 users. Some users are going to fail due to slippage issues. So, okay, here we can see that 4 orders have been failed, not because of a server side issue but due to slippage issues, that the slippage has exceeded the maximum allowed. For example, for this one, the maximum allowed was 10.3, but the execution was happening at 10.4, so there was a slippage issue. Similarly, we can see that 3 of these orders have been failed also due to slippage issues, while the other 6 are confirmed and successful. Okay, and we can actually see the stored persistent states. I've actually created an API for this one. If we try to get the orders, let me just remove the limit and offset and try to get it. We can see all the state, all the orders that have been executed by us on the server. I've also added the pagination here, so we can do the limit and offset. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.